Hello, Jacques from Secret Jardin, here to show you a new product. We have the MF180. After the release of the MF120 for tiny space, the MF2x120 for small space up to 120 by 120. We now release the MF180, which is replacing the MF30, but it's better. This is for medium to large spaces, and the main advantage is it's very high-end product. So this is 50,000 hours, which will be 7 years, 24 hours a day. So you buy it for a long time. Expensive, but for a long time. Inside the box, you have the 3 plugs, Europe, UK, US. You have 2 kind of fit, 16 to 25 millimeter poles. You can attach them this size or this size. Technical specification, 24 volts brushless EC engine, which is why it's 50,000 hours, which is also why it's very low consumption, 6.5 watts. It's 285 meter cube per hour, up to 3 meters. And this is low noise, 36.5 dB. So I plug it now. 24 volts means no issue with humidity space, no danger. I plug it, there you see that. Anyway, it's very strong, even with 16 millimeter, so stronger with 19, 20, 25. Now it will ramp up slowly, so you can go up to 3 meters. It's very strong, in fact, it's stronger than the MF30 and less noise. So what I would advise, if you have a 120 by 120, it's a bit too much, I think. 150 by 150, perfect. 240 by 120 meter space, one should be enough. You can put 2, it's really if you want to make the air turning, but 1 is largely enough. I would recommend 240 by 240, you put 2, it's perfect. 3 by 3, you put 2, it's perfect. And on a big tent, 600 by 360, I would recommend to put 4 maximum. Put them, side by side, face to face, and you will have the air to turn with extraction, intraction, or intraction, extraction. High-end product, low consumption, you buy it for life. MF180, coming now. Thank you. Bye-bye.